Welcome back, guys. Stonehouse Acres. I bought some autumn blaze maples. I've always wanted to line my driveway with these beautiful trees. The color they give off in the fall is fantastic. So today we're gonna plant autumn maples throughout my driveway. I have about 5 of them and a couple crabapple trees. Let's get planting. So I'm just gonna measure off my driveway where I want these. I want about 16 feet from my driveway. They get to about 30 to 40 wide. But this will provide a really nice canopy. So there's 16 on the nose. I'm gonna use my snow stakes to stake out exactly where I want these to make sure we're in line. Next, I want these trees 20 feet apart. That allows the branches to overlap. If they're 40 feet, that's too far. I want them 20 feet apart. That allows for the branches, when they're nice and mature, to overlap. By the way, excuse my terrible looking creeping Charlie. If anyone has suggestions, I cannot get this stuff figured out. It's run amok. That's 20 feet right there. We're gonna go get the trees. I have one more to measure out, and let's get planting. Always when I'm planting trees, I go about 3 times the size of the base. So in this case, they're 16 inches wide. So I'm gonna go out 3 times and just mark that. Just to give me some room to play, and then obviously we'll fill her in with mulch and make a nice base out of it. Cutting up the sod first, get that layer off, make it easier to cut up. All right, first hole is dug. I love using my bucket to keep jobs clean. I don't have dirt all over the grass. So about 3 times the size of the root ball, down about 2.5, 3 feet. So we're gonna backfill it with compost, some starter fertilizer. Let's see what we can do. This is on an angle of a hill, so it is gonna be a little bit of a complicated, but we'll get it nice and straight. I'm gonna use this root stimulator and put it at the bottom. Calls for 3 tablespoons per gallon of water. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Obviously I'll cut the root ball out. So we're just gonna test fit. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put some compost in. And then we'll see where we go from there. Fertilizer. I'm gonna cut the root rod out. Start growing. I think that is straight. We're gonna bring in dirt. freaking dead straight. One down, 4 to go. We're gonna put some mulch, make a really nice edge to it. It'll look great. Second hole is pretty much dug. This one feels bigger, but it's gonna loosen some of this up. Let's do a test fit. Tree number 2 is done. Tree number 1 looking good. All right, we're setting the third one that's going to be in this row along the driveway. One, 2, 3. 20 feet apart, 18 feet off my driveway. 10, 20 years, they're gonna be beautiful. Hopefully these turn out well. I appreciate you guys watching. This was a fun one. All right, finished product. Damn, those are in a straight line. It all worked out pretty nicely. These grow, maple autumn blaze, grow about 2 to 3 feet per year. They're pretty fast growing maple. Thanks for following along, guys. We'll see you on the next one.